To demonstrate the benefits of S7-SCL with a concrete example, we will show you the implementation of a sorting algorithm with S7-SCL. The starting point is an S7-400 station as data collector and a series of substations. The substations send data measured at different times to the data collector. One of the tasks of the data collector now is to sort the measured data with respect to the time of measurement in order to enable further data processing. The function should also return a status in addition to sorting. So that the sorting function can be used for any data array, the data array is transferred via the parameter interface of the block. In order to implement a sorting function, you should first develop the underlying algorithm. Sorting algorithms are best visualized taking the example of an index card file box. There are 6 unsorted index cards in a card file box. You first look for the card with the last letter in alphabetical order. In our example, therefore, the card with Y. You now swap this card with the card in the last position. Now the card file box has only 5 unsorted index cards. From the remaining unsorted cards, you now look again for the card with the last letter in alphabetical order, and put this at the end of the remaining unsorted cards. Since the T is at the end, you don't have to swap in this case, because it is already in its end position. Now you continue by swapping the K with the B. Then you swap the G card with the A card. Since the A and B cards are already in the correct order, you don't have to swap them. Now the number of unsorted index cards is down to 1, so they are sorted. You can now easily create a program flowchart based on this algorithm. As long as the size of the unsorted subarray is greater than 1, do the following. Note the index and the current value. Find the maximum in the subarray. If the maximum is in front of the current value, then swap the two values. The size of the unsorted subarray has now been decreased by 1. Start over again. Now the function can be implemented on the basis of this program flowchart.